Husqvarna Motorcycles has unveiled its latest motocross models for 2024, the FC250 Rockstar Edition and the FC450 Rockstar Edition, embodying high-performance and factory race team inspiration. These machines are equipped with state-of-the-art technology, allowing riders to have complete control over power and handling, giving them a distinct advantage on the track. The FC250 Rockstar Edition, alongside the FC450 Rockstar Edition, features new frames and revised suspension settings. Both models are meticulously assembled with a comprehensive array of race-tested technical accessories, including factory racing wheels, triple clamps, and an FMF Racing Factory 4.1 silencer. The latest Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing graphics complete the aesthetic of these models. Unique to the Rockstar Edition models are the new Connectivity Unit Offroad (CUO) and the front-fender-mounted GPS sensor. When paired with the Ride Husqvarna Motorcycles app, riders can activate, customize, and save preset engine maps based on track conditions. The app also offers suspension setup recommendations and records on-track sessions for performance analysis, empowering riders to improve their lap times by finding the fastest lines. Alongside the 2024 Rockstar Edition models, Husqvarna Motorcycles has introduced a range of competition-focused functional clothing designed to provide comfort, style, and safety for riders of all levels. Additionally, a selection of race team-inspired casual clothing is available, including the Replica Team Collection, allowing riders to express their passion for Husqvarna motorcycles or emulate the pit presence of Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing. Technical highlights of the 2024 models include the new Connectivity Unit Offroad, CUO, and GPS, which enable engine mapping customization and detailed track performance analysis. The models also feature new Rockstar Husqvarna Factory racing graphics applied using advanced in-mold technology, revised chromium molybdenum steel frames, and updated suspension settings for optimal balance and agility. Other notable features include a topology-optimized die-cast aluminum swing arm, quick shifter for seamless upward gear changes, high-performance Brembo hydraulic clutch and brake systems, and an aluminum polyamide hybrid subframe construction for advanced durability. The models also come equipped with WP-Zacked front forks with AER technology, WP-Zacked rear shock design, and a multifunctional map switch housing quick shifter, traction control, and launch control buttons. Additionally, the models include an FMF Racing Factory 4.1 silencer, factory racing CNC machined triple clamps with adjustable offset, factory racing wheel set featuring Excel Takasago rims, and various carbon composite guards for advanced protection and durability. Soft, gray ODI lock-on grips, Guts factory high-grip seat cover, premium quality pro-taper handlebar and bar pad, and an electric starter powered by a lightweight Li-ion 2.0 battery round out the impressive list of features for these motocross machines.